Hi friends, nowadays we see CCTV cameras installed everywhere for the safety of the people. In the vehicles we are traveling also we need CCTV cameras for the safety of the passengers in the car or the vehicles. These cameras are called as dash cams or dashboard cameras. This will protect you from people who do not follow the traffic rules and cause danger to the people who are following the traffic rules. CCTV cameras are available in the market in various brands and various costs, but sometimes they may be very costly too. I am going to tell you how to install a cheapest CCTV camera in your vehicles so that it does not demand much from your purse, and it is also giving some kind of safety to you when you travel on the highways. This is the mobile holder which is available freely in the market for few hundred rupees. We can attach this mobile holder to the front windshield, to which we can attach the dash cam. You can see how clear is the video captured by my dashcam. This is my dashcam. It is nothing but my previous mobile phone. We are always upgrading to a higher end mobile phone every 2 years. Some people they upgrade it every year. The previous mobile phone, whatever we use it, we give it for an exchange, that too for a very cheap rate. Let us not throw it away for such a cheap rate. We can use them as our dash cams. These previous mobile phones which are having a memory of around 64 GB, they can record with 100% battery charge up to 5 to 6 hours of video. This is a very good idea whenever you are thinking about buying a dash cam. So this is very cheap, and let us not throw our previous mobile phones. They can help us in the form of dash cams. Thank you.